So we got the hot chocolate going. We're gonna shoot some big chungus out here. Some 12 gauge hot shot Winchester. It's a couple years old. Time to go through this ammunition. But anyway, Wyatt's just gonna watch me shoot. He's gonna film, and we're just gonna blast some trash. Well, not even trash. Just blast the hillside. All right, you hold the camera. You hold the camera. Don't block. Did you push the button? All right. Anyway, let's try it again. Come on. All right. Magazine goes in the mag well. Push the safety down. Back in. Let go. It's ready to fire. No one's around. All right. You looking where I'm shooting? Empty. Take the magazine out. Come on, you're filming. Empty. All right, now hit the off button.